Razor sharp in 1 minute. Every home needs one, but nobody makes them. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever wondered, should knives be sharpened horizontally or vertically? What sharpening stone or tool is most effective? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to reveal a super simple trick that doesn't require any professional skills. In just 2 minutes, your dull knife will be as sharp as new. It's really convenient, and anyone can do it. Cooking 3 meals a day for the whole year inevitably leads to dull knives. Anyone who has ever used a dull knife to cook will understand. Ingredients are difficult to cut, it takes more time, and the dish tastes less flavorful and looks less appealing. For example, when cutting ginger, tomatoes, or cucumbers, if the knife isn't sharp, the slices will be uneven and rough, looking unappetizing. To ensure a dish is perfect in color, aroma, and flavor, the knife must be very sharp, and the cutting must be precise. Even better, this method doesn't require spending money on sharpening or buying whetstones, and it effectively removes rust, leaving your knives shiny and sharp like new. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's discover this amazing tip together right now. I guarantee you'll be surprised and will use it for years to come. First, prepare some toothpaste and squeeze out about 3 centimeters of it onto the blade of the knife. Next, prepare a soft bristled toothbrush. Apply toothpaste evenly to the blade. In addition to surfactants that increase shine, toothpaste also contains a special substance called silver coating, which provides excellent friction. When sharpening knives in combination with this product, the effectiveness is doubled. Just apply it evenly like that. Set the knife aside and leave it. Next, take a suitable-sized ceramic bowl or plate with a rough bottom from around the house and turn it upside down like this. The raised bottom part has a rough, very hard surface, acting like a whetstone. The advantage is that every household has one, no need to buy it separately. Next, put a little salt at the bottom of the bowl. Then add a little white vinegar. Stir well with your finger and then apply evenly to the bottom of the bowl, where you sharpen your knives. Salt activates the steel and vinegar softens it, making sharpening the knife much easier. Next, begin sharpening the knife. Place the blade against the bottom edge of the bowl, applying even pressure in one direction. Do not move it back and forth. Note that you should not move the knife back and forth because uneven pressure will damage the blade, especially for beginners. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The difference compared to a whetstone is that it requires a specific angle. If placed flat, you will only sharpen the knife body, not the blade. The ideal angle is just enough to fit a finger under the blade. Sharpen evenly for about 2 to 3 minutes. After sharpening one side, flip it over and sharpen the other side in the same way. Find the right angle and a comfortable position for sharpening. The method for choosing the angle is the same as before, only the way you hold the knife changes. Dear viewers, making videos isn't easy, and every comment, like, or follow from you is a huge motivation for me. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you. Then wipe the knife clean with a cloth. Is the blade much shinier now than before? Hold the knife at eye level. If you see a straight, non-curved line, you've got it right. If you see any side sticking out, continue grinding that side. Now try cutting a tomato or a piece of ginger. Once sharpened, the knife can easily cut ginger into extremely thin slices with a smooth, burr-free surface. It looks very nice. Cutting ginger is the easiest way to tell if a knife is sharp. A sharp knife will slice the ginger smoothly and evenly like jade. If the knife is dull, the ginger slices will be fibrous. When the knife is sharp, cutting is easy. When you're in a good mood, the food you make tastes better and looks more appealing. Therefore, once you learn this method, you no longer have to worry about dull knives and not knowing where to sharpen them. If the knife is dull, the ginger slices will be fibrous. Next, I'll show you how to remove rust from a knife. First, place the knife in a long plate or large box. Pour some white vinegar onto the knife. Vinegar helps soak into the knife, preventing the baking soda from washing away. Next, sprinkle some baking soda on top. Vinegar helps soak into the knife, preventing the baking soda from washing away. Continue pouring a little more vinegar onto the paper towel. This helps to increase the chemical reaction between the vinegar and baking soda. Do the same for both sides of the knife. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Leave it undisturbed for about 10 minutes. This is when the chemical reaction takes place. Baking soda has strong cleaning properties, while vinegar helps to soften and clean. This method is especially effective for rusty items. Vinegar reacts with rust, iron oxide, and dissolves it. After soaking for a while, the rust can be easily wiped away. Now remove the paper towel and gently scrub with a soft bristle brush. In just a moment, the knife will be as shiny as new. To avoid scratching the knife, do not use aluminum wool or sandpaper. Use a soft bristled brush or sponge to clean it. With this method, you soften the stain first, then gently scrub it away. No need to worry about damaging the knife. Finally, rinse thoroughly with water. Wow, the results are amazing. The before and after are completely different. As the ancients said, to do a good job, you must first prepare the right tools. To cook a delicious meal, the knife must be sharp and easy to use. Dull and dirty knives not only ruin the shape of ingredients, but are also unhygienic, resulting in less delicious food. Today's method completely solves this problem, making dull knives sharp and shiny like new again. Additionally, knives should be dried thoroughly after washing and kept away from damp places. Paper towels can be used to dry the knife. They should not be stored in a sealed box. Instead, use a well-ventilated rack to prevent rust from impacts or moisture. Storing knives in a dry, cool place can significantly reduce the risk of rust. Here's a little tip. You can stick the blade of the knife into a jar of dry rice. Rice has a natural ability to absorb moisture, helping to draw out any remaining water vapor on the knife, thereby preventing oxidation and rust. This method is especially useful during the rainy season or in places with high humidity. Above are some tips on how to sharpen knives today. Have you learned them yet? If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. The more people you help, the better. New videos every day. Don't forget to follow me. See you next time.